Today, I'll show you a free AI tool that asks 3 simple questions and hands you 3 product ideas that you can grow step by step into a $4,000 a month digital product business. And I'll show you the exact math because I never want you to take a big number on faith. The real question isn't, can AI make me a product? It's, what should I sell first? That's what these 3 questions solve. People don't get stuck because they're lazy. They get stuck guessing what to make, what to charge, what to include, and whether anyone will buy. So we built a free tool called the AI Product Finder. You answer 3 questions. It hands you real product ideas with the name, price, what to include, and a roadmap to build it. Let me show you. Say you help moms return to work after time off raising kids. That's real expertise. But career guide is way too vague as a product, and that's where the AI Product Finder helps. So here, question 1, what are you good at? Well, helping moms return to work after a career break. Question 2, who do you help? Moms out of the workforce 5 to 10 years, nervous about their resume, LinkedIn, and interview story. And question 3, what do you want to sell? I'll pick digital download, simple and beginner friendly, and I hit generate. Instead of a blank page, I get 3 specific product ideas. A 90-minute resume and LinkedIn makeover for $27. A career break story script kit for $37. A first interview fast track bundle for $47. Most people pick the one that's easiest to make, but you want the one with the strongest buying trigger. People spend money to make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, or raise their status. Look at the $27 makeover. It helps them make money. A job changes their income. It moves them away from pain, the anxiety of a career gap. It saves time, a plan instead of a blank page, and it raises status because they feel professional. Again, that's not information. This product sells a real transformation from I can't explain my career break to I know exactly what to say. That's what people buy. So here's where MiloTree does the heavy lifting. I pick the idea I want to sell, and MiloTree sets it up in my dashboard in seconds. And it also writes my sales page. It gives me my headline, description, and it's all AI generated. I review it, add some photos, edit the text. I make it sound like me. And here's something amazing. After someone buys the $27 makeover, when MiloTree sends them to the thank you page, this is where my upsell lives. This is where that other product idea comes in. Here I can offer the $47 first interview fast track bundle as this upsell. And why does it work? Well, they just bought the resume makeover. They're already moving toward their goal. So the fast track bundle is the obvious next step. It's a no-brainer because they're already in motion and you're handing them that next piece. You can follow up by email, selling the $37 career break story script. The third idea. So let's go through the math. The $27 makeover, let's say I get 50 sales in a month. That's $1,350. The $47 fast track bundle, say I get 20 buyers, $940. The $37 story script, 15 email sales, $555. Now here is where you offer your premium service. Let's say a $297 coaching call or a small mastermind. If you get 4 buyers a month, that's $1,188. But you're not going to start at step 4. You start with one $27 product that solves one real problem. And then the product stack is the map. So if you've been stuck thinking, I know things people would pay for, but I don't know what to sell, run the AI Product Finder. Pick the idea with the clearest buying trigger and keep the first version you create small. One specific product, one specific problem, then build that stack piece by piece. So go to MiloTree, use our free AI Product Finder. The link is below. Answer the 3 questions, drop your favorite idea in a comment, and I'll tell you what I think. Start free, by the way, with MiloTree, no credit card. And when you're ready, our Grow Plan unlocks unlimited products, upsells, order bumps, coupons, email integration, and everything you just saw. MiloTree delivers your products directly to your customer. You're not stuck because you have nothing to teach. You're stuck because you've been guessing. And that stops today. Your first product isn't the business. It's the seed. And the digital product stack is how it grows. And I'll see you in my next video where I show you how to find real buyers, not just followers.